Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make Canva designs not blurry. We'll dive into understanding why your designs might appear fuzzy and how to prevent it. You'll learn the importance of starting with quality images and how to adjust your export settings for crisp, clear results every time. Let's get your designs looking professional and sharp. The foundation of a clear design is high-resolution imagery. When uploading photos, ensure they are at least 300 dpi for print or appropriate dimensions for web. Never stretch a small image to fit a larger space, as this will inevitably lead to blurriness. For logos and illustrations, vector graphics are ideal because they maintain sharpness at any size. Exporting correctly is crucial. For web use, PNG is generally best for crisp graphics and text, while PDF print is ideal for professional printing at 300 dpi. When downloading, always drag the size slider to the maximum for the highest resolution. Also, confirm your Canva design's dimensions align with where it will be displayed to avoid unwanted compression. Before finalizing, take a moment to zoom in and inspect your design for any lingering blurriness. A quick preview at 100% scale can reveal issues you might otherwise miss. If you're still seeing blur, try downloading your design at 2 times or 3 times the intended size to compensate for platform compression. And speaking of keeping things clear, if you want your car to smell as fresh as your designs look, check out the Little Trees Black Ice link and other great deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.